Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Apps Every Day. And some days we talk about apps where I've used for a long time, I know really in depth, and then sometimes I download an app, looks really interesting, and I want to show kind of my first impressions and how easy it is to use for the first time on camera. That's what we're doing today. We're talking about Glitch Art Studio cam effects. So based on the app screen here, you can tell that it is free to download. Well, granted mine says open, but it was free to download, but we can see there is an in-app purchase available to get all the features. It is nice though, because it is not a subscription. So if you really like it, $5 gets you access to all the pro features. Let's jump in and see what it's all about. Yes, I did previously open it and allow permissions for the camera to be used. You can access all of your photos and videos here. Yes, it does work on both stills and videos. If I go in, let's go back to the one I was using. So we got this one here. Looks like we can do pretty typical stuff. Crop, rotate, change aspect ratio. That's all fine and dandy. I'm just gonna hit done. And then per the name, I guess we get a bunch of different glitch effects. These actually look really nice. So are the rest of them pro? Yeah. Oh, wow. There's a lot of pro. Makes sense. You can't even preview it because then you could just like screen record and get past that. But I will say the 3 that you get for free, I actually kind of like. And it looks like you can actually go in and adjust them a bit. So it looks like you can do just like very simple on and off stuff. So if you don't want any chroma shift, turn that on or off. It's like 6 different types. Digital noise, so you could keep it clean. You could also up the speed and intensity. So it's nice that even with the free ones, they kind of give you access. Looks like oh, okay, I was gonna say all of the parameters, but nope. Wow, that's a lot of parameters. You can get really specific for the pro. I have a feeling that if this is the style of like maybe for Instagram or whatever social platforms you like to make these glitch effects, I have a feeling the one-time purchase of $5 is definitely going to be worth it. Layers, oh, that's huge right there. So you can share it. You can export a still image, a video, or a GIF, pro only, and you can even add a filter. Okay, so you can actually view it. So maybe if you're on an older phone, you want to keep things at SD just so you're not overloading your like RAM or processor or anything. Because when you go to max, basically tells you to be careful. You can pause and read that if you want to. And then again, you can go in and change a bunch of parameters. Yeah, man, there's like a million ways that you can upgrade. They make sure to make that part easy. Of course, you can go to the camera. Oh, and you can actually, okay. And here you can actually shoot in the different modes. So if I tap the camera and go to video mode, and it looks like you can do the same sort of thing. Turning on and off the parameters. I like the live preview mode. Honestly, I like apps like this because they're very straight to the point. They don't have a million different features trying to be the one-stop shop for all the camera effects in the world. This is specifically targeted at people who really like glitch effects. And if that's you, personally, not even having tried the pro stuff, even just the free stuff is awesome, that I could definitely see if you're the type of person that uses this sort of content. $5 one time is absolutely worth it. So if you want to check out more, learn more about the app, of course, the links will be in the description below. While you're down there, don't forget to comment another app for me to check out and get subscribed and come back tomorrow for another Apps Every Day.